Hey there, before we dive further into the video, I would like to introduce you to our Bold Faith and Authentic Identity Workbook. This season for me has been about unlearning who I was told to be and rebuilding who I truly am, rooted, honest, and whole. Many of us were taught identities that sounded spiritual but slowly shrinked us. Be strong even when you're breaking. Stay quiet even when something is wrong. Carry it alone because God understands. But strong faith is in silent struggle, and obedience to God is in self-erasure. That's why I created this workbook. This workbook is not loud. It does not rush you. It does not demand answers you're not ready to give. It offers solace, understanding, and a safe place to rebuild your identity with God without silencing your story or minimizing your pain. It's not about revisiting the past in detail or forcing quick healing. It's about gently peeling back the layers of who you were told to be and rediscovering who you are beneath it all. My desire is that this will help you answer the question, who am I beneath the labels, expectations of others, and survival modes? Inside, you'll find reflective prompts to identify false identities formed through survival, faith-anchored exercises that invite honesty without shame, space to process, pray, and rebuild from a deeper place of truth, gentle guidance for women navigating transition, grief, clarity, or quiet courage. If you're in a season of unlearning, redefining, and choosing truth over endurance, this workbook was created with you in mind. Check out our website www.makeanimpression.org and grab yourself a copy. I do look forward to seeing the transformation that this workbook will do for you.